So you're going on a trip and you want to save your itinerary for offline viewing. That's easy. For your detailed itinerary, click on the suitcase icon. If you don't see one for your trip, then click on the I instead for the summary itinerary. The same instructions apply. Make sure everything you want is showing, then scroll to the top and then close the footer if it is visible by clicking the X. Then click the share icon in the footer to display the menu. You can scroll to select the Create PDF option. This will generate a PDF of your itinerary in a preview mode. You have two options. First, you can share it by clicking the share icon and then select any supported app. In this example, we've selected Copy to Books, but you can also send it using a messaging app. Once you've copied to Books, you can access any time by opening the Books app and scrolling through to find the information that you need. The other option from the preview is to click Done in the upper left corner and then choose Save to Files. You can then select the location to save. Once saved, you can access the file anytime using the Files app or most other file sharing apps. Now your itinerary is saved on your iPhone and you're ready to go offline. Next, we'll show you how to do the same thing on Android phones. So you're going on a trip and you want to save your itinerary for offline viewing. It's easy. For your detailed itinerary, click on the suitcase icon. If you don't see one for your trip, then click on the I instead for the summary itinerary. The same instructions apply. Make sure everything you want is showing, then scroll to the top and close the footer if it is visible by clicking the X. Then click the three dots icon in the upper right of the Chrome menu. Then scroll to select the Share option. Then select Print. This will generate a PDF of your itinerary in a preview mode. From there, you can download to your files by clicking the yellow PDF circle in the upper right. You can save to any folder or just the default, as I'm doing in this example. Once saved, you can access the file anytime using the File Manager app. The saved file is named with the same name as your trip, so you can always search for it if you're not sure where it was saved. Once you find it, you can click the share icon to share with others or just review yourself anytime. Now your itinerary is saved on your phone and you're ready to go offline. Remember to check back to the online version for any updates to the itinerary.